Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Saturday, April 21st, 2018. So, started putting flags up today. I have 8 more flags that have to go back up. I think it almost might be 9. But I got some of them back up. Now last year I had these 2 flags in this spot. Both of these were new flags that were sent to me. Replacing the South African and the UK flag. So those ones are back in the same spot that I had them last year, but they're brand new flags, okay? So then, got the new Canadian flag up as well over here, okay? And so did that. Have the Confederate flag flying again over here. And then I have this is a British flag of some sort. I don't remember which one it was. Or Scotland, I think. Something like that for that one. I can't remember exactly, to be honest with you. I'll walk you over here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. We got this one back up over here. We got the German flag over here. We got the Australian flag up over here. So today, beautiful, beautiful day today. Probably 50 degrees. The sun is still out here right now. I've brought in 3.3 kilowatt hours so far today. So good day as far as sunshine goes. Solar output's been freaking awesome so far, and it's obviously, it's 3:30 right now, so we're still going to get more power coming in. So I don't know where we're going to end up today, but we've brought 3.3 kilowatt hours in so far. So what was I working on today? Okay, so a couple things I was working on because I was outside doing stuff. So I got the flags up. What I worked on, this is one of my peach trees. That's one of my peach trees, and that's one of the plum trees. That plum tree over here did not make it. So what I did was I cleaned out all around these trees. There was some raspberry bushes, like there's raspberry bushes right here. They started taking over, so I cleaned all those out. Got those all cut back and raked around them. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to put some fencing around the trees to protect them from the deer. So, like I said, there's the 2 peach trees and there's a plum tree here. And then these 2 here are the 2 blueberry bushes that we planted last year, okay? So I worked on that, got that squared away. I was working as best I could over here, and I'll show you. I really want to get in and get this whole area all through here all cleaned up, and I will. But as you can see, we still have a lot of water we're dealing with. What I was doing where I could through here, I was taking out all the little sucker trees, cutting them up, and working over in this area and getting that cleaned up. So I worked on that as well today to get those squared away. So those are in better shape now, as you can see. So we're cleaning all this whole area, starting to clean that up. This whole area will be all completely cleaned up. I want to get all this cleared out so that we can get some fill in this area to bring the level up, so that like next spring we're not going to have the water all the way up over to here. I want to at least get this area through here and through here squared away, get that level of dirt a little bit higher. The other thing was working on. Now we had a pile of stones over here before. Started picking up all the stones that were all over the place and putting them over here for right now. I'm going to do something with the stones. I haven't decided what yet, but something is going to be done with. I have stones all over the freaking place around here, so we're definitely going to be working on that. So it's been a absolutely wonderful, lovely, lovely day, to be honest with you. It's just really nice. It feels like it's the first time it feels like spring since I can't tell you when. So as I can see over here, I got these out, and they are charging. So I brought them out earlier today so they could get a full charge. They are, again, awesome, absolutely awesome solar lights. So just trying to be, making some forward progress today. It's the first, like I said, it's the first day that it's actually been decent enough to get outside and get some work done. And so anybody that doesn't know about the flags, let me explain a little bit. What I do is I fly flags from around the different countries around the world to show solidarity, to show that we're all in this together as preppers, that you know, we are not alone, and it doesn't matter what country you're from. You know, if you're from Sweden, or if you're from Finland, if you're from the Philippines, it doesn't make any difference. We are all in this together as a human race, and that's why I fly the flags. So if you want me to fly the flag of your country, I will absolutely do that. I believe that, like I said, I believe that we are all in this together. I really, truly do. Now, Joe had asked me from St. Bernard Acres if I would fly the South African flag, especially after I did my video about what is happening over in South Africa to the white farmers right now. Now, here's the thing, guys. Not all the black people in South Africa are bad, and not all the white people in South Africa stole the land from people, okay? You're going to have good and bad people no matter where you are and what country you are in. It's a testament here in the United States. There's good people and there's bad people. But the lady that sent me the original flags, she was from South Africa, and she was living in the UK. So she wanted me to fly the UK flag and also, you know, the South African flag. And that is why I will continue to do that, for supporting her, for supporting people. Like I said, not everybody's bad. And I will never lump anybody into one category. I was actually really disappointed in some of the comments on that video, that people were saying, oh, well, they're getting what they deserve, you know. And I love how people like to try to just blame white people. You know, it's whatever. You know, people are going to have their opinions, and that's fine. And I respect your opinions, and you can think whatever you want. But here at the end of the day, guys, realistically, if you think somebody's holding you back, look in the mirror. See who's holding you back. See who's stopping you from achieving your dreams and your goals and your desires and your wishes. Nobody else is going to stop you from doing that except for yourself. I don't care what color you are, okay? So, you know, what people really need to realize is that when you cut us, no matter what color we are, we bleed red, and that we are all human beings. And that's what we really need to focus on, and get past the BS and the stupid stuff and the race and this and that. We are the human race, okay? So anyway, getting back to the trees, this here is one of my cherry trees that is not really done well the last 2 years because the deer keep coming in and eating it. I'm going to be putting some fencing around that this year. And over here, I have the other apple tree. That this apple tree, same thing, the deer keep coming and eating it, so I'm going to put a fencing around that. But this apple tree, once this grows up and starts producing fruit, 2 apples off of this tree will make a pie. That's how big the apples are. So that was one of the reasons why I got that. Over here, I have the grape plants, and so there's one here and there's one here. Last year was actually the first year that they really started to move along the fence and really do well. So we'll see how that goes this year as well. I do plan on adding more fruit trees this year as well. You know, the more trees that you can plant, honestly guys, I'll tell you what, I plan on planting fruit trees every year. At least 4 fruit trees per year, and as the years go by, we will have a tremendous amount of fruit, and that's one of the things that I'm looking forward to having. You know, people have a misinterpretation with the whole prepping aspect of what I do, that I'm sitting around waiting for the end of the world. I'm some miserable person up on a mountain. I am putting myself in a position where I can be as free as I possibly can be, and I'm happy, and that I don't have to be on the hamster wheel anymore and chasing the golden ticket, if you will. I got my golden ticket, and it didn't cost a lot. It really didn't. And you know, as we continue to move forward here, I have a lot of plans that I want to do. I want to put in several greenhouses, and I can develop this land, and I can do a lot of things here. And I'm associating myself with good people that want the same things, and putting a group together of good, like-minded people. And so that's what it's all about for me. And hopefully we'll have some more people coming to join us here at the homestead to work with us and to see what happens. And we're going to get there. And, you know, it's all going to come together. You guys are going to get to see it all. And having like-minded people with the same goals is a good thing. And it's living free and being happy. So anyway, I'm going to jump off of here from now. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. I hope you're all doing well, enjoying your time with your friends and your family. Remember, guys, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen. And remember, STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever goals you're trying to reach, the only one that's going to stop you from getting there is yourself. Nobody else can do it, okay? So stay focused, and you can do whatever you want to do. I'm happy with what I got accomplished today. It's a step in the right direction. We're moving forward, and that's what it's all about. And so I wanted to tell you real quick what I'm planning on doing with the other flags. Greg is going to make me some poles, and I'm going to put them along both sides of the driveway, and I'm going to put the flags on both sides of the driveway. So as we get more flags, like if you drive into my driveway, you'll see all the flags. So that's what we're doing with that. So anyway, guys, listen, I hope everybody has a great night. Have a good weekend. I will talk to you all tomorrow. I hope everybody has a great day. It is so nice to actually have some sunshine and nice weather and making some nice power and all that. It really feels good. So I will talk to you all later. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.